The Avengers are not coming, but what's coming will blow your minds. Marvel fans, get ready. The MCU is back with a bang, and this time it's not your typical superhero saga. Introducing Thunderbolts, a film that's already making waves even before its official release. With a star studded cast and a fresh, darker tone, could this be the Marvel's finest film yet? And why is India buzzing with excitement over it? Let's dive in. इस बार कोई एवेंजर्स नहीं, कोई चमचमाते हीरो नहीं, बस एक टीम है जो है थोड़ी टूटी फूटी, थोड़ी डार्क, लेकिन पूरी तरह से धमाकेदार. Leading this ensemble is Florence Pugh as Yelena Belova, stepping into her first lead role in the MCU. Joining her are Sebastian Stan's Bucky Barnes, David Harbour's Red Guardian, and Wyatt Russell's John Walker, among others. From the moment the trailer dropped, fans have been captivated. But what is fueling this frenzy? Early screenings have critics raving, described as easily one of the best MCU movies in a long time. Thunderbolts offers a darker, more grounded narrative that deviates from Marvel's usual formula. Fans are crushing, giving it all the appreciations possible. Florence Pugh in particular is stealing the spotlight. Her portrayal of Yelena Belova is being hailed as a superb. A fan even wrote, Florence Pugh gives a performance worthy of an Oscar. Speaking of the premiere, the European debut was nothing short of spectacular. Florence Pugh turned heads with her bold fashion choices, reigniting the naked dressing trend. Director Jake Sherrier was encouraged by Kevin Feige to make it different, and it shows. The film boasts an indie cinema aesthetic with a focus on character depth and moral ambiguity. और हाँ, पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन्स के बिना तो मार्वल अधूरा ही है. इस बार भी दो धमाकेदार सीन्स हैं जो फैंस को सीट से चिपका कर रखेंगे. But what is making this Thunderbolt stand out like lightning in a thunderstorm? Number 1, it breaks the Marvel formula. This isn't your colorful CGI heavy roller coaster. It's dark, it's edgy, it feels more like an indie film than a franchisee product, and that is refreshing. Number 2, it's a character first, action second. Each anti-hero here is deeply flawed, and that makes them human. Yelena's trauma, Bucky's redemption arc, Ghost's silence. This is Marvel doing depth. Number 3, Marvel's best casting in years. Florence Pugh तो literally screen फाड़ रही हैं. Bucky Barnes वापस आ गए हैं full on brooding mode में, और Red Guardian कॉमेडी के साथ एक्शन भी लेकर आए हैं. And let's not forget Phase 5's final punch. This is Marvel building towards something again, finally. But why is it a good news for the Indian audience? Because India is getting a special treat with the Thunderbolts releasing on May 1st, a day before its global premiere. The film will be available in English, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu, catering to the diverse Indian audience. IMAX pre-sale tickets sold out in under an hour, indicating a strong fan base eagerly waiting for the film. Post-Endgame, the MCU faced criticism for losing its direction. But with Thunderbolts, it seems Marvel has found its footing again, offering a fresh and compelling narrative. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मार्वल फिर से अपने पुराने रंग में लौट आया है, तो थंडरबोल्ट्स देखकर आपको यकीन हो जाएगा. Combining a compelling narrative, standout performances, and a fresh perspective, Thunderbolts is poised to be a landmark film in the MCU. And with India's enthusiastic response, it's clear that this film resonates globally. So mark your calendars for May 1st. Thunderbolts isn't just a movie, it's a statement. And trust us, you won't want to miss it. The question is, are you ready for the Thunderbolts? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Marvel updates. We will be back with another engaging content.